I have actually got 3 unboxings to do. So I've ordered some crockery from Temu and from a company called Dunhelm. Let's see what I bought. So this is what I've bought from Temu. So I've got this like a bowl. I really like the design of it, the pattern of it. So I bought this. And I bought these tiny like these dipping bowls. I think they look so cute. So there are 4 of them. There. So cute. Lovely design pattern. Really nice ceramics. So I'll be using these for my sauces. I bought this platter that goes with this, matches with that, so I thought it looked really nice. So I can put my sandwiches and samosas in here. It would be really nice. So I bought this. And I also bought this like a naan tray. I'll put your naans in here, naan breads. So all sorts of breads you can put in here. This one's really nice. Also bought this square platter. I thought that was really nice. Lovely patterns, lovely colours. Really nice, I really like this. So these are the items I bought from Temu. And I bought this spatula as well. I like the design of it. And from Amazon I bought these stacking plastic containers. So there are 3 of them. I needed these, so I bought these. And I bought this dinner set as well. So when we had a renovation done, we threw most of our crockery away. So I didn't get a chance to buy another dinner set. So I bought this one now. I really like this one. This is a porcelain, I think. This is a 12-piece setting. So let me show you the pasta plates first. So this is a pasta plate. Very simple design I wanted. I didn't want anything fancy. So this is the pasta plate. There are 4 of these plates. So here is my dinner service. So these are the dinner plates, these are the side plates, these are the pasta bowls, and these are the soup bowls. So it's a very simple design, really nice. I really like it. It's a 12-piece service, so it's ideal for me. So this is my shopping haul. I hope you like it. Leave a comment in the comment section to tell me what you think about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.